Hi, once again this is the June 2015 Regents Exam questions 7 through 12. Pause the video and answer the questions for yourself. Okay, let me put the answers down. Check your answers with my answers, which is actually the answer key. Alright, and let's take a look at why the right answer is the ones that are here. For question 7, you're asked about the number of electrons shared between carbon atoms in a molecule of ethine. Okay, ethine has the YNE ending. Okay, this is between two carbon atoms. The number of bonds is 3. Now, if for some reason you forget, there is reference table Q. If we take a look at reference table Q, okay, here's ethine right here. Take a look at the lines here. Every line for all of these molecules that are drawn here represent 2 electrons. For any name with a YNE ending, you see that there are 3 lines, each line representing 2 electrons for a total of 6. Number 8, ground state that has a stable valence electron configuration. Your stable valence electron configurations are for what's known as your noble gases. Of course, your noble gases are group 18 on the periodic table. Which includes helium. Helium has 2 outermost or valence electrons. It actually only has 2. All the other noble gases have 8 valence electrons. 8 valence electrons is what makes any atom or ion stable. In other words, we're looking for the noble gas, which is choice 1. Number 9, 2 fluorine atoms react to produce a fluorine molecule. Anytime that you have 2 atoms that are coming together and bonding, energy is released. If I am going to break a bond, then energy is required. Just like if you had to break a bone, you're going to put energy in to break that bone or break a piece of wood. That's how you remember it. They're opposite of one another. Number 10, for any gas sample at STP, the same number of molecules, all I'm looking for is the same volume. As long as it's at STP, it doesn't matter what the gas is. Equal volumes of different gases under the same conditions will have the same number of molecules. Again, fact. Make sure you know it. For number 11, all atoms of uranium must have the same. Any atoms of any element must have the same atomic number. Remember, atomic number is your number of protons. Your number of protons, if they change for any atom, they change the identity of that atom. When we look at the periodic table, all the elements have their own atomic number. Number of neutrons can change. That would be an isotope. Number of electrons can change. That can be an ion. But the number of protons has to stay the same. Finally, for the last one, concentration of a solution. The units for solution. There's a couple of different calculations for solution. Reference table T has your formulas and equations. Under concentration, you see 2 possibilities. For parts per million, if it's grams over grams, it cancels. For molarity, it's moles over liters. That's what you're looking for. So this concentration has to do, again, with solutions. And that's why the answer is choice 4. So it's on reference table T. Don't forget, use those reference tables. Even if you think you know the answer, double check, take the time, to double check. I hope you enjoyed this video. Hit the like button on the bottom, and there's more tips and videos at www.newyorkchemcoach.com.